All my family and friends came yesterday and helped us clean all this.
They say a brick doesn't make a home. People do.
It's been pretty rough in here.
And people are working to repair this house in Monette. After a family is safe and sound, thanks in part to this storm shelter out back.
This is the first time that we really went through a tornado. We didn't know if this thing was going to hold or not. You know, we can feel a lot of like evaporation, you know, in here, and we're just praying that and hoping that this thing can hold down, you know.
For more than 30 minutes, Cesar Marroquin says this shelter was home. 5 adults, 3 kids, and 2 dogs were huddled inside through the storm.
It was like a lot of pieces hitting on, you know, I don't know if it was my truck, the shop, just pieces flying.
As family and friends work around him, energy crews worked around them, putting up new poles for electric lines, while the Red Cross assessed damage after a tornado destroyed homes and businesses in Monette and Leachville. With winds strong enough to knock over even a street lamp like this, it's broken. But in talking to the community down here, it's clear that their spirits can't be broken.
We've got our fire department out here. We got 25 crew members that's been out. The police department's been out. Everybody has stepped up to try to protect our town and everything.
Rodney Robertson is the mayor of Leachville, and with crews in and around the area, along with families in need, he's making sure everybody feels supported.
We've got a lot of churches, a lot of people from out of town, other churches and other committees. It's bringing food to Leachville to keep everybody fed.
Entergy Arkansas says under 2,500 of their customers were without electricity in the state after the storm hit.
The process is that you do the work first that gets the largest number of customers on the fastest, and you work your way down from there.
And they get appreciation from the community that's grateful for their efforts.
We're just trying to keep them comfortable and trying to keep some help to where we don't run them to death.
In Leachville and Monette, Jay Jackson, THV 11 News.